Yeah, we sure do. You know, that same system that's supporting this snow is also helping support a couple thunderstorms out there, and we've also had that confirmed tornado. This is actually some video that was sent in from Brittany Phillips. You could see how breezy it is. You can hear the reaction there in the background as well, as they captured some of that video too. Again, reminder, try to just be as safe as you possibly can, but notice that it is showing some leaves flying around, the gusty conditions. I have video as well that we just received from Joe Davis out in St. Helens, which I think is probably the best view of this confirmed tornado from the National Weather Service out in Portland. You can see the rotation. On top of it, clear sign that there is the debris right here that's also entangled into this system and this tornado. So this is occurring about 12:20, 12:25, and of course you'll be able to find this video on our website as well and on social media, but this did happen today. And again, another zoomed in look that was shared with us here at Coin 6 News of that tornado earlier at St. Helens. We'll talk about snow as well, but I want to get through some of the important things that we have going on because it is still possible that we have more thunderstorm activity as we head into this evening. All right, strong wind support here to the northwest. As I mentioned, that's helped allow for all the mountain snow, but also it's kicking up a bit of a rotation to some of these cells with that wind here around parts of the Willamette Valley. This is at 4:15 here on our Tuesday. We do have that snowfall, but just a couple showers here closer to areas of Portland. I'll zoom on out so you can see that again. Some heavier rain just to the north by St. Helens and those areas up towards Longview. And then we have all the cell activity there through parts of the Coast Range. Some dry time right now here in the valley. You may even get a peek of sunshine. As I mentioned yesterday, we may see that for our evening hours. Yeah, right to the east of Oregon City, we have this little stretch of shower activity and maybe a moderate shower. And then, as I mentioned, just to the north into areas of Washington at this hour. We haven't had much measurable rain. Heavier showers to the south brought in maybe a little bit more than us here in Portland around us. And then over towards areas of the Oregon coast where we've had some pockets that have produced some heavy rainfall. Yeah, there's that little slice of blue right there. It looks beautiful, but also very dark. You can see some of that light shining off the building. Stoller, a wonderful view. Mount Hood Meadows full of snow. And then Lincoln City, where that sun is coming down to a sunset here shortly. Also looking a little airy, just a little bit. All right, Mount Hood Meadows here. It's full of snow, as I mentioned. We've seen multiple inches up on the mountain and more to come, not only here today, but likely as we get closer to the end of the week. 27 degrees. It's just a snowy scene up there. Mount Hood Meadows collected about 3 inches. You can see Timberline at 5 inches. So we are building that base. We still have a winter weather advisory till tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. and 4 a.m. for our Wednesday morning there at I-84. So if you're traveling from Pendleton down to Baker City, Meacham Pass there, may have some issues with the snow. Yeah, we're going to see a little bit more as we go through the passes here, unless you're going south down towards I-5 at this time. All right, Futurecast is going to dry us up for Wednesday. Liz was asking us yesterday when will be that dry slot for our day, and I was telling her most of the day. We'll start off for the morning hours, and we'd really dry up for the afternoon. I think we'll actually have some sunshine tomorrow as well before we have another system arrive heading into Friday. So it looks like we do have a big chunk of time here for our midweek where we can get outside. Friday, we were watching for a system that could bring in some strong wind, maybe a windstorm Friday into Saturday. So, of course, I'll have some updates there for you as well. Heading into Sunday, temperatures in the 40s. But tomorrow, guys, it looks like we have a little bit of dry time, a high of 50 degrees.
Thank you, Joseph.